What may look like just another restored Toyota Land Cruiser is, in reality, a beast in vintage disguise. Meet the 1971 Toyota FJ40, a once rusted-out shell now reborn as a V8-powered, ground-up custom masterpiece, thanks to the skilled hands at Legacy Overland. With its mix of classic off-road charm and modern engineering, this build is far more than just a restoration. It's a complete reimagination of what the FJ40 can be. Finished in a striking midnight emerald green, this Land Cruiser immediately turns heads. But beneath that glossy paint lies a story of transformation. When it first arrived at Legacy Overland's workshop, it was little more than a chassis on life support, rotted, stripped, and forgotten. Most shops would have written it off, not Legacy. The team started by removing every body panel, welding in new chassis rails, and eliminating every speck of rust from the frame. What they created next is nothing short of a mechanical resurrection. Under the hood sits the heart of the transformation, a GM 350ci Vortec small block V8, producing a healthy 315 horsepower. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. This FJ40 now packs serious muscle. Mated to a 5-speed manual transmission and a rebuilt transfer case, the vintage Toyota now offers the drivability and torque that its original inline-six could never dream of. To keep the power in check and make off-roading effortless, Legacy Overland added Old Man Emu suspension with a 2.5-inch left, modern disc brakes front and rear, and a full power steering system, giving the FJ40 modern handling without compromising its rugged spirit. It now rides on 16-inch steel wheels wrapped in 265/75 General Grabber MT tires, making it trail-ready yet still classic in profile. A 12,000-pound winch, custom stainless steel exhaust, aluminum radiator with twin electric fans, and a bespoke wiring harness complete the mechanical makeover. And then there's the interior, where vintage utility meets boutique craftsmanship. The cabin has been transformed with distressed chestnut full-grain leather, covering not only the front bucket seats, but also the door panels and rear bench. The steering wheel features a wood-rimmed design, echoing vintage style, while modern features like air conditioning and a 4-speaker audio system ensure this FJ40 is as comfortable as it is cool. A custom wooden shift knob with a laser-engraved pattern adds a unique touch, reminding you that this is no mass-production rebuild, it's a labor of love. The fresh carpeting and carefully integrated materials give the truck a sense of understated luxury, rarely seen in vintage off-roaders. The result? A machine that blends timeless design with 21st-century capability, equally at home crawling through muddy trails or stealing the show at a Cars and Coffee meet. It's a perfect example of how a classic 4x4 can be reborn with power, purpose, and poise without losing its soul. We may never know the final bill for this transformation, but one thing is certain. Whoever invested in turning a rusted relic into this rolling work of art made the right call. After all, why buy a new Land Cruiser when you can own something this unique, this powerful, and this full of history? This isn't just an SUV. It's a statement, a symbol of what can happen when passion meets craftsmanship. And whether you're a vintage Toyota fan, a V8 lover, or simply someone who appreciates a job done right, this custom FJ40 has something for you.